Good morning. My name is Nerlane Smart, and I am running for Circuit Judge for the 19th Circuit, Group 19. The 19th Circuit encompasses St. Lucie County, Martin County, Okeechobee, and Indian River County. I currently serve the community as an Assistant State Attorney. I work out of the Fort Pierce office. I work in the Felony Division, where I carry an active caseload of over 250 cases. I have extensive trial experience and have tried over 50 cases. I also had the honor and privilege of having served as St. Lucie County Judge from July 2015 to January 2017. As a judge, I presided over landlord-tenant cases, county civil cases, and traffic cases dealing with death and serious bodily injury. I not only serve the community through my employment, but I also serve the community through my activities at church and also my participation in organizations such as the Police Athletic League, the Fort Pierce Women's Club, and the Haitian Advisory Council. I am not only a candidate, an assistant state attorney, and a former judge, but I'm also a woman who is married and has children. I have been married to my husband, Matthew Smart, for over 23 years, and we have two children, Adonis, who's age 20, and Eliana, age 15, who both go to school in our community. Now, this is just a short synopsis of my 51 years here in Meredith. So I would like to encourage you to go to my website, smart2018.com, to learn more about me, and hopefully, August 28th, you will make the smart choice. Thank you. Ever since I was a little kid, I've always wanted to be a lawyer, an attorney. You know, I always wanted to argue my point. Even in high school, I took business law classes. In college, I was a political science major. My first job out of undergrad was working for my congressman, where I got a taste of being a public servant and the importance of that, giving back to your community. Right out of law school, my first job was as an assistant state attorney. So I've always wanted to be in the public sector, serving my community. I can't think of a higher way of serving my community as a lawyer than as a judge. The court division that interests me the most is the juvenile court system. And it interests me because as an assistant state attorney, I encounter a lot of young people who come through the system. And I would love the opportunity to serve in that division. So maybe that I would be able to make a difference in these young people's lives and speak into their lives and God willing, help change those lives. One of the things that I've come to see as an obstacle to equal justice under the law is waiving fees, especially in criminal matters and also in civil matters. That the fees that cannot be waived, and sometimes that's a hindrance, for the people that come to court, and that is an obstacle. In closing, I would like to thank the League of Women Voters and St. Lucie County Television for putting on this interview and event for the candidates, so that we're able to communicate and let the voters know who we are and answer a few questions. You know, voting is not just a right, but it's an obligation. And I encourage all you voters who are taking part in this and watching these videos to educate yourself on the candidates and know who you're voting for. And on August the 28th, I want you to come out and to vote smart. Vote for integrity. When you're looking for a judge, vote for integrity. Someone who's going to uphold the laws of this state and the Constitution. Vote for experience. Someone who has held the job as a judge. Vote for fairness. Someone who administers justice and is just. Vote for me, Nerlane Smart, candidate for Circuit Court, Group 19. Thank you.